Good morning, everyone. Speedballbailey here. Speedballbailey here. Oh boy. Speedball Mike Bailey here. Speed Vlog Mike Bailey. I am here at the little airport in France, about to get my pre-show PCR test done. So that's always exciting. I made up for being awake for 30 some hours by sleeping 12 hours. So that's very promising for today. I am not yet anywhere close to awake, so I will keep you guys updated. Thank you. Okay, so that's done. I hope I passed. Just about to cross the border from France into Belgium.
It's happening.
It's happening.
Like
3,
2,
1, Belgium.
Whoa.
Oh my god, everything is so different.
It smells like French fries.
It smells fries.
It already
fries,
smells like French fries. Yeah.
It smells fries.
Not French fries, sorry.
No, Belgian
Belgian
fries.
fries. It certainly doesn't
Fries.
smell like
And
French
waffles.
fries.
And waffles.
And waffles.
From Brussels.
And fricadelle.
Ah.
Absolutely.
Which we're gonna have today, by the way, so look out for the fricadelle.
It's happening.
It's a
I got to the venue, met up with some people, and now we're gonna go get some food, and I get to ride in the Barbie mobile. Is this yours? Is this your car?
Yes, of course.
Do you have a name for the car? Please tell me there's
Barbie
a name.
car.
Is this just Barbie car?
Yeah.
It's fantastic.
Come on.
I have a vlog. Hello.
Oh shit, hello.
Francesco Akira.
Hello.
We've got Hal. We've got Mystery Man. We've got
the Belgian War Machine.
Truck House Mike D. And we're gonna eat at sorry, it says La Rusticana, but I think you'd be better equipped to pronounce that than me, right?
La Rusticana.
There we go, that's beautiful.
We're not in Italy.
Gonna get a little pre-show meal.
On va faire
Ça c'est les tiennes, Mike. Moi je mets la frite à la sauce.
Oui, t'inquiète, merci.
Oh, voilà, ça
T'es un tueur.
Il a pas encore les prix. Ouais, c'est ça qui me fait.
Merci.
So this is just for you? This is only your food? Wow. Okay, hello friends. So here it is. We've got the whole spread. We've got the fries, the sauce, the burgers, which are pointed the wrong way. We've got a bunch of assorted nuggets. Do we know what the nuggets are?
Cheese inside this one.
Cheese inside that one.
A bit spicy.
Yeah.
Cheesy jalapeno. And what about this? This is meat. Meatballs.
Yeah, meat. Just meat. By the way, we don't know which meat. Just
So
meat.
we got speedball, fireball, meatball. We got it.
The balls, yep. All the balls. Then which one is the fricadelle?
This is the fricadelle, this is the viandelle.
Okay, viande.
You pick it.
I just grab it?
Yeah.
So how, hold on, can you show that again? So just grab it, and do I dip it? Do I bite it? I don't know. Am I doing it right? Yes. So wait, hold on, is there a different way, like is there a proper, like, is this better?
Yeah, a little bit.
And just bite it?
Voilà.
It tastes like sausage. Yeah. Like it's not, I don't have a special, I don't know. I want you to show me how it's done.
Ah, comment je fais?
Ouais.
On les met. Wrestler food.
Wrestler food, real wrestling food.
Big like that.
So this is a childhood favorite.
Yeah. Favorite of all Belgian wrestlers.
Okay. We got, and next is the French fries, right?
Spicy sauce.
Spicy sauce, my favorite. Thank you. You got a cheesy nugget here?
He recommended.
He recommended. So here's my question. Do you recognize what kind of cheese this is? Or is this just like the sausage of meat? This is just cheese.
This is just cheese.
It's just cheese. Not mozzarella. Not the
Kind of mozzarella.
kind of mozzarella.
But it's
I
very
love
good.
just cheese.
Very good.
And those burgers are just filled with that spicy sauce. Okay, so I've got to try the fries. This is the next one.
Ça dépend aussi de si c'est de la nouvelle.
These beautiful boys. Dip it in the spicy sauce.
I can't live in Belgium.
Amazing fries. Okay, we did it, friends. Almost there. Come on, let's keep going. We got a little bit left. This is a lot of food. It's very good though. Very fried. So I gotta try to do a show now. So we're back at the venue now. This is the relatively small room that will be filled with. Yep, that's me.
You do like this?
Exactly like that. You're nailing it. In fact, I think you should do my match for me tonight. You're doing such a great job.
No, not really. You do this part.
Here, Axel, the rotation. How's it going?
Hey, it's amazing. We have sunny weather here in Belgium. We're very close to the French border, and I really enjoy my time being here because Speedball is around. Lots of cool people are around. The venue looks pretty cool.
The venue does look pretty
Kids
cool.
are having a good time. We have a good
See,
time.
everyone's having. Speaking of kids, you've got a lot of kid-friendly merch over here.
I do have kid-friendly merch here. Yeah, because I think I don't know. They like colorful shirts, colorful Super Balls.
So I have the one and only Taco Dragon shirt. They're like not for sale.
Not anymore. Like they are always sold out.
Yeah. Well, yeah. I mean, it's a. Of course they're sold out. That's on you for making a Taco Dragon shirt. But you do have some. You called flummings here.
Flummy.
Some flummy.
Flummy.
It's a word I've never heard before, and I've
flummy.
never heard anything that looks like flummy. We'll just call this a super ball or a little ball that bounces. It's very unclear.
It's like Speedball in the ring, or like me in the ring.
Oh, that's very nice. What's your match today?
I've got a three-way against Ultima Sombra
Oh,
from.
kayfabe on that three-way.
I mean, if we are live, are we live?
No, we're not live.
We're live.
I'm gonna put this on YouTube in like a week, when everyone has seen.
No,
that,
let's make because wait for the
Kayfabe,
W. No,
okay.
like 3 weeks maybe. I don't know when it. Because here it's
Monday.
WXW now. It's the WXW now taping,
Oh yeah.
and I don't know when it will be released on WXW now. Oh, you blur. I'm gonna post it. No, don't do it. Don't do it. But just get a large beep sound over the whole sentence.
So I'm also gonna go film shots of your match, and then I'll just blur you.
Blow the fourth guy.
I'll blur just the faces, but I'll leave the rest of the whole wrestling. We're not live, but we're live on the vlog. Update! Sorry, Axel. You've been bumped. I got a new shirt. Wow! Belgian War Machine.
The Belgian machine.
So I got a shirt from a guy who objectively shouldn't wear shirts. Ever. I'm kind of offended you're wearing one right now, to be honest.
you say in English, toi est un nest sacrément bon lutteur. This is for you. This is what I said in Quebec, but in English. You're a fucking good wrestler!
Log it up. Crimson, no, I think this is important because I'm going to put this online on YouTube at some point and show some highlights of our match, hopefully. And I hope that, like, I meant everything I said out there, of course. I would not say any bullshit, but I really hope that you follow this guy everywhere on social media. I'll have his things come up somewhere in there. And support him, support his career because he freaking deserves it. So thank you so much. Oh. Thank you guys so much. Subscribe, like, comment, all of that. Let me know if you enjoyed it. See you guys next time.